Auto takeoff. Heading to waypoint 1 at 30 meters altitude. OSD view from 5.8 GFPV camera. Drone at waypoint to loiter time. RTL land. Landing.
We are about to land.
Mission completed.
Wow.
Hello viewers, my name is Adebayo Kehinde. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel or if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button down below to get more updates on my videos and also to help my video go viral. Today I want to do the review of this my new scratch built quadcopter, which is mouse and also can be controlled manually. So this drone is built with 1000 kV 2212 motor. Camera on board, we have the 4K action camera for video record and also another FPV camera downward here to get the live feedback from the drone. So this drone weigh total with the battery everything weigh about 1.3 kg, and we have done payload test of this drone and we were able to take off about 1 kg payload. Okay, so with the total weight of this drone with the battery 0.3 kg, this drone on a normal weather condition, this drone with the power pack can be on air for the next 20 minutes. Autonomously can loiter on air for 20 minutes. And after a couple of tests showed down below, I planned a mission, a 500 meters line of sight mission, and I executed. So on the plan below, just see the waypoint down there, and also that's the command I'll give to the drone to fly in, also to return home autonomously. So let's go to the video and check it out.
Mode change to auto. Heading to waypoint 1. Mode change to auto. Heading to waypoint 1 at 50 meters altitude.
Auto flight. Mission successful.